The symptoms of clinical depression include feelings of low self-worth and increased hopelessness and despair. Unfortunately, depression and suicidal thoughts often occur hand in hand. This is probably the most important reason why the 70% of adults who refuse to admit that they are suffering from depression and need professional help should immediately start thinking differently. Suicide happens much more often than people realize. In fact, it is the 10th leading cause of death in the United States. However, for every person who commits suicide, 27 actually attempt to kill themselves. This does not even begin to count the number of people for whom the thought crossed their mind. If you know someone who has started showing signs of clinical depression such as apathy, low motivation, poor self-esteem, significant problems with their sleep patterns, and sudden changes in their health and appearance, you should insist that they get immediately screened by a healthcare professional. This is especially true if they have previously tried to commit suicide, have a family history of suicide, or have been the victim of physical or sexual abuse. There are many ways to help clinically depressed people. Some people receive psychotherapy and are prescribed antidepressant medications. However, if you are worried about side effects, worried about having to take medication, or if you have failed to adequately respond to such treatment, then transcranial magnetic stimulation, TMS, may be right for you.
I'm Dr. Glenn Archibald. For over 21 years, I've successfully worked with patients who've suffered from symptoms of depression. My practice is located in Anniston, Alabama, midway between Atlanta and Birmingham. Through the TMS Wellness Institute, we now provide transcranial magnetic stimulation treatment for depressed patients who have not done well on other approaches and want to get their life back. TMS is FDA approved, non-invasive, and has little to no side effects. You can learn more about our service by visiting tmswellnessinstitute.com.